Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear friends, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of le-18 school. Dear friends, I am Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Now I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 1, and our today's topic is from your Enjoy Grammar books, lesson 18, exercise number 1 and 2, discussion. So let's try to solve it. Dear students, this is lesson 18. Things, here is a mistake, T-H-I-N, it would be G, okay? Things we do every day, the simple present tense. Dear students, it's deals about simple present tense. Read what these children do every day. Adil wakes up early every day. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Grish eats lunch at 1 o'clock. Nisha returns home at 3 o'clock. We play in the park in the afternoon. I do my homework in the evening. Next friends, here are some sentences, but in these sentences you may follow something. That means here the verb contains extra s. Wake, wakes. Eat, eats. Return, returns. Then these three verbs contains extra s with them. Whereas you may see another verbs, they don't carry any extra things. Go, play, do. Okay? Now a question may arise to you when you will add this extra s with the verbs and when you will not add this extra s or es with the verb. Okay? So let's try to read it. Words such as wake up, go, return, eat tell us about things that we do every day or often. We add s to the doing words when we use them with she, he, she, it and any other singular noun. Dear students, that means when the subject of the sentence is singular or singular noun or he, she, it or any name. Okay? The things, please try to remember he, she, it or any name along with any singular noun. On that case, we have to add extra s or es with the verb. Okay? Now let's try to solve exercise number 1. Now, write 5 things that you do every day. You may write as you wish, but I have just written it to show you the time. But you may change this time or change everything as your wish. Okay? Number 1, I wake up at 7 o'clock. We have to tell what time. Okay? Then number 2, I go to school by cab, bus or bicycle or car. You may use bus or you may use bicycle or car, etc. Okay. But although there are given 3 things, you will have to fill up it using these 3 things. Okay. Then number 3, I return home. I return from school at what time? 3 o'clock. It may be 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Okay. I play gap. What or where? I play football, you may write it, or I play in the park, that is where. Okay. Then number 5, I go to bed at what? It would be time. So here you may find another mistake, T-I-M-E, it would be at a time, not using any space. Okay. I go to bed at 10 o'clock, you may write it 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, as you wish. Okay. Dear students, this is all about exercise number 1 and now exercise number 2. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Dear students, here are the things where you will have to add extra s or es with the verbs. Okay, so be alert here. Shona drinks a glass of milk every day. Here the verb is drink. So although the subject is a name of a girl, so I told you before any name and the he or she or any name or it or any singular noun, we have to add extra s or es along with the verb of that sentence. Okay, so here the subject is a name, so we have to add extra s. Okay, it would be drinks. Number 2, the sun. Distance, the sun is singular noun, so it would be shines. The sun shines in the sky. Number 3, father. Father, only single thing, single subject, so it also will contain extra s. Okay, father talks to the Jew. Father talks to takes. It would be takes. It would be takes, not talks. Okay, it would be takes us to the Jew every Sunday. Okay, it would be take. Okay, here it's written take, but it would be takes because father is singular. Okay, then number 4, the girl gap. The girl walks. Why? The girl is singular. Okay, the girl walks her dog every day. Okay, the girl is singular, so it will contain or it will add extra s with it. Okay, with the verb. Just in the next page you will find exercise 5 and 6. I have written here. In the book you will find this Haris's ace and Manisha's ace is in the small letter, but you have to write it in capital letter. So Haris and Manisha. It means Haris and Manisha. That means here are 2 people. So although here are 2 people, we have to use the verb without adding any s or es with it because it's plural, not singular subject. Haris and Manisha talk to their uncle on the telephone every Saturday. Okay, it would be talk, not talks. Then number 6, grandfather gap in the park every morning. This means grandfather, singular subject, so it would be walks. Grandfather walks in the park every morning. This all are all about exercise 1 and 2, and you have a homework number 10, exercise number 2. It would be very much hard to you to write all the 6 sentences, but I will request you to pick up the whole sentence and then write it. This lesson is not too much easy, just watch the video again and again, then try to do the homework. Stay home, stay safe. This is the end of the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.